Yeah, you know what's going on. Had to pull up in here real quick. Had to grab some. Needed this. Okay, cool. Let's get on about our business. Yeah. We're out here, okay. You know, just real quick. Oh, God. Here, we made it. Back to my favorite spot. Well, one of the top 5. I always say every spot's my favorite spot. Pattendale, the industrial. And Fuego, they got me on camera. That's cool. Making our way through. Yeah. You got it all. Just seen a video on some switches. Might need those. And we definitely gonna talk about. We'll talk about it later. We'll talk about why we need a switch. It's definitely beneficial. You already know where we at. Hit that checker thread. Let's see this one. See it popping. Ooh, wait. M12? No. 150? Maybe. Yeah, it's the 125 for sure. Oh yeah.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
This looks like a 125, yeah?
Let's see. No, it's right here.
It's a 1.5?
150, yeah.
Okay. Appreciate it.
Yeah.
Thanks, man. So I switched up and changed my mind. I seen that they had the M by 12 by 1.5 in the hex bolt. I don't mind getting a hex because we can definitely still maneuver with the hex versus these, which I'll show you in the light right here. We would have had to done some different stuff. So that was a key lifesaver. I'm gonna put these back. We're gonna keep the hex. Show you these ones here. And we're gonna change it up right there. We're gonna get these a longer, just so you guys can get a size comparison. Boom. Move it side by side. Boom. Yeah, that's definitely gonna work for what we need today. So cool. All right, we're good. We made it. Got the tropical smoothie sunrise sunset looking fire. Okay, cool. We got it. Yeah. What's up, guys? Back in the garage. So right now we're gonna go ahead and get situated. I'm gonna get under the car. We're gonna go ahead and today's mission, we're gonna remove the exhaust, the radiator, and then we're gonna go ahead and evaluate how much space we have to work with real quick. Because once again, it's a little different from his, but the others are awesome. So, and they're kind of the same, but get it done. Yeah.
How many?
Just 2.
Okay.
Appreciate you.
Your car makes me appreciate the shit now. I'm telling you, having a car like mine, you would not appreciate it. You'll sell that shit. You had to go through that shit. Oh. Yes. There you go.
Thanks, bro.
Don't be afraid. It's gonna be a flood. It's gonna look like somebody hit you with just that pressure. Are you filming?
Yeah.
Where are you filming?
Huh?
Oh, you're filming there.
Yeah.
Yeah, this shit looks dope, man.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, you're killing it. You're really working.
Just one more tire. I'm gonna see if I can get it as close as possible to just boom right into the bucket.
You said another tire?
Yeah. The kid on there?
So we get
That's you gonna be
for a little
fun.
bit.
Rock some spacers. Ooh. Go ahead, slide it down there, bucko.
Slide it down where?
Just have it sit right there.
Oh, okay.
Cool. Oh yeah. I think we can do it. If I'm not. For sure. We can do it, and we did it.
Good shit, bro.
Now, just gotta get rid of this. Here it comes.
There you go.
Cool. Okay. Hey, can you help me like remove the tire?
Sure. Yeah, so you want to grab the bucket?
You ready?
You got it?
Go for it.
Okay.
All right, we're in there.
Oh,
I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. I love the line hearts.
I am weak.
Those are some sick tires.
You said you got you got cool in my line hearts. This in here.
All right, sir.
You ready?
Should be good to go. Hang on. Just move this little bracket here. Hang on one second. Push it down. Go ahead.
I can push it down.
Pull it up.
Pull it up.
Yeah. Just... Yeah. Cool. Got it out. Alright guys, so right now we're gonna go ahead and remove the exhaust. We're gonna start here, get this detached. Then we're gonna go ahead and make sure to get under there. I don't know if you guys can see, but you know, we're gonna get the header off. So. Alright, cool. So we got the car to a comfortable height. We're gonna go ahead and start just removing everything that needs to be removed, and we'll get it done. Alright, cool. So pro tip. I always like to spray my bolts with some type of like brake cleaner or no, anything penetrant, because you run into too many instances where you don't spray this and things happen, and that's not okay. So We're gonna go ahead and all right, guys. So right now we're gonna go ahead and pro tip, always spray your bolts. So we got this out. Yeah, we can take the headers off. Got you. So like I said, we got the mid pipe disconnected. It's over. I got the O2 disconnected. It's over. It's looking good, So it's a real issue when you're trying to get the header out and then that EGR tube is right there just, you know, killing your whole ride. Thanks. Boom. As we're working on the car, got a package. Once again, as we're working on the car, I got a package. Cool. During the heat of battle, with the help of one of your awesome friends, you too can get that stupid EGR pipe off. So all I did was go ahead and get a pair of vice grip, you know, good old trusty. Go ahead, lock that on. Called my boy over here. He went ahead and just came off. So, as we move back to our continued programming,
give you what you need.
Exactly. I'll tell you right now, that pipe right there will just, oh, it makes you so mad. I had to sit there for the longest and it sounded like Roddy Ricch in here, like, but it really wasn't even the box. It was just me and the freaking lock. And O2 sensor number 2. And there you have it. Stock O2 sensor removed. Then you can see over here, that's out. O2 sensor gone. Let's get this off. Yeah. We got the manifold out. Shout out to the dude on Miata.net. I'll be sure to screenshot exactly what I read and exactly what got me here. But as you can see, the manifold's out. This is probably a pain. And like I said, I'm gonna screenshot exactly what I read on the forums. Really gonna help you. Never thought like the little tips and tricks are always the ones that are gonna get you by. So oh, and yeah, this EGR tube, horrible. This right here, horrible. If it's been on there for a while, definitely it's gonna take a process to get it off. But we did, so yeah, appreciate it. Okay. After some high-speed battling, no, I'm just playing. After some battling, we got the exhaust off. We drained the transmission. We're looking good to go. I'm pretty excited, pretty happy. Welcome to my turbo build. All right, pull up on us. We ready for you? Oh, and he got the vibes playing. That's our dog right here. Thanks, bro. Have a good one. Appreciate you. All right, for the record, just wanted to say this now before we, you know, later down the line, and this conversation will surface. Boomhauer thinks he can beat me in a race. This is what it is. He says he's constantly not worried about me. Da da da. Boo. All right, cool. Once again, this is going to be my turbo 1.8 versus his turbo 1.6. We will then do a battle. We'll find out what it is. You guys will be there to see it. We're going to witness it all. We're going to do this together. So I just want to throw the word out there now before we get the conversation mixed up later that he doesn't consider me as a threat. But it's okay. So yeah, we'll tune in. We'll talk about it. And you'll see once he gets. Alright guys, I made it to my boy Tubbs' house. Okay, talk to him a little bit. So really did good today. We accomplished everything. Took out the actually took out the radiator, took out the exhaust, and then we're good to go. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.